So let us go with the problems on your coupling. I have here 6 problems on coupling, very short lang, very brief discussion on couplings. Okay. So let us have this one. Ayan natin para kitang-kita. So a coupling's bolt circle diameter is 70 cm. Contains 6 bolts. Okay, yan yung diameter ng bolt circle, 6 bolts. The torsional shearing stress of 90 mm diameter shaft is 50 MPa. So that is the shaft shearing stress. Okay? Now, uh, the bolt is 40 MPa. The compressive stress of the bolt is 75 MPa. Now, determine the flange thickness. Punta muna tayo dun sa shafting. So, for that number, lagay ko dito, number 1, binigyan ka dyan ng shearing stress. Binigyan ka ng yield. So, ibig sabihin that is the design stress of your 90 mm diameter shaft, 50 MPa. So, shaft shearing is 0.6 SY over factor of safety. And that is equal to 16 T over pi diameter of the shaft cube. Okay? At binigyan ka dyan ng shearing stress on the bolt. So, the shearing stress on the bolt is equal to force over area, di ba? Force over area. Total to eh. Okay? Area total. So, saan natin makuha? Itong force na to is twice of the torque divided by diameter of the bolt circle. Yung area projected, syempre, number of bolts, kung ilan yung masi-shear na bolt. Tapos, pi over 4, diameter ng bolt squared. Doon lang muna tayo. Okay? So, mahaba-haba to kasi kailangan mo natin mahanap yung diameter ng bolt. Wala tayong diameter ng bolt na binigay dyan eh. Okay? So, yung torque natin, makukuha natin dito. I-reform natin to in terms of the torque. So, the torque is equal to 0.6 SY. Sa shaft to pi diameter of the shaft cube divide by 16 factor of safety. Doon natin siya makuha. Now, sir, pwede bang ipasok ko muna yung value nung sa bolt? Okay? Since wala namang binigay sa'yo dito na SY, ang binigay dyan sa'yo, shearing stress of the shaft is 50. So, wag na nating isama tong 0.6 as is na yan. Okay? 0.6. Bale, magiging shearing stress na lang na siya. Pasok ko siya dito sa SSB. Okay? Ang kukunin kasi natin, diameter of the bolt. Wala tayong diameter of the bolt eh. Okay? So, diameter of the bolt is equal to 8 times SS pi diameter of the shaft cube divided by 16 factor of safety. Okay? Divide by diameter ng bolt circle, number of bolts, pi, tapos yung shearing stress of the bolt. Okay? Tapos naka-square root yan. Pwede ba nating ma-simplify? Yes. Simplify natin. Cancel to. Cancel. Tapos ito magiging 0.5 na lang. Kasi 1/2 eh. So, diameter of the bolt, mahaba lang talaga yung solving niya. Okay. Ano yung shearing stress na binigay sa'yo dyan on the shaft? That is 50 MPa. Okay? 50 Newton per millimeter squared. Na-cancel na yung pi. Now, the diameter of the shaft is 90 mm. Tapos cube divide by factor of safety. What is the factor of safety? 6. A number of volts yan, 6. Factor of safety, okay, wala namang binigay. So, that is 1. Okay? Lagay mo 1, factor of safety. Tapos, meron kang 0.5, multiply natin sa taas. 0.5, diameter ng bolt circle. Binigay ba yung diameter of the bolt circle? 70 cm or 700 mm. Tapos, ang susunod is the shearing stress on the bolt. The given shearing stress on the bolt is 40 MPa. So, 40 Newton per millimeter squared. Cancel all the same units, Newton, millimeter squared. Yung millimeter, isa ang matitira dito. Okay? So, diameter of the bolt is, calculate natin, square root ng 50 times 90 naka-cube, okay, times 0.5, divide by 6 times 700 times 40. So, makuha natin dito yung diameter of the bolt. Okay? 10.4155. 10.4155. I want to store this into alphabet A. So, store ka na yan. So, store natin siya dyan. Shift, store A. Ba't naging 19? Ayan. Ayan, i-store na natin. So, after you store that, hahanapin naman natin yung sa compressive nung sa bolt. Diba that is force over area total. So, this is twice of the torque diameter ng bolt circle. Ngayon, kapag kinompress, di ba pag kinompress natin siya, yung thickness of the flange na, tsaka yung diameter ng bolt. So, thickness of the flange, tapos diameter ng bolt, tapos number of bolts. Ang hinahanap natin is the thickness of the flange. So, thickness of the flange is equal to twice of the torque divide by papasok ulit natin dyan yung sa torque ng shafting. Diameter of the bolt circle, SCB, diameter ng bolt, tapos number of bolts. Okay, ito yan. Yung torque natin is ito. This one. So, this is twice ng SS pi ds cube over 16. Okay? Diameter ng bolt circle is CB. Diameter ng bolt, tapos number of bolts. Pwede natin masolve yung thickness of the flange. So, 2 over 16, bale 8 na lang yung nasa baba. Yung SS is 50 Newton per millimeter squared. Tapos, pi, diameter of your shaft is 90 mm. Cube natin. Divide by 8. Diameter of bolt circle is 700 mm. Kasi 70 cm siya. SCB is 75 Newton per millimeter squared. Okay? Tapos, diameter ng bolt, yung naka-store kay A. In mm to. Okay? Tapos, meron pa ba nakalimutan? Number of bolts ay 6. So, cancel all same units. Ito, mm squared, Ang matitira ay isa. Alt-tab tayo. Okay, 50 pi times 90 cube divide by 8 times 700 times 75. Tapos, recall natin si A times 6. So, the answer is 4.3628 mm. Basic yan. Mahaba lang talaga. That is for number 1. Next problem. An 80 mm diameter shaft is transmitting 320 kilowatts of power at 620 RPM. A solid coupling has 6 18 millimeter diameter bolts. Calculate the required bolt circle, diameter ng bolt circle, based on average shearing ng 40 MPa in the bolts. Okay? Pinahanap sa iyo ay yung bolt circle. Basic yan. Lista natin na meron tayong power, doon natin makuha yung torque. So for number 2, power is T N over factor. Yung shearing stress on the bolt is equal to 8T over diameter ng bolt, circle, diameter of the bolt, squared, number of the bolts. Okay? Kulang pa ng pi. Kulang pa ng pi. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung torque. Dito, shearing stress on the bolt is equal to 8. Tapos yung torque natin ay power times factor divide by N. Okay? Diameter ng bolt, circle, diameter of the bolt squared, number of the bolts, and then pi. Kailangan ko ay diameter ng bolt circle. So, diameter of the bolt circle is equal to 8 times power times factor divided by shearing stress on each bolt, diameter of the bolts, squared, number of bolts, times pi. Okay? Ang kulang natin ay yung N. N. So, solve natin diameter of the bolts. Diameter of the bolt circle, 8. Ay yung power na binigay sa iyo dyan ay, the power given there is 320 kilowatts. Yung factor natin, 9549123 Newton, millimeter, RPM, every kilowatt. Okay? Divide by SS natin. Shearing stress on the bolt is 40 MPa. 40 Newton per millimeter squared. Diameter of each bolt is 18 mm. I-square natin yan. Tapos 6 volts ang present times pi, and then ang RPM natin ay 620. Cancel all same units muna bago natin input RPM to check. Kilowatt, kay Newton, millimeter squared, cancel na sa baba. So, ang matitira ay millimeter. Pasok ang value. Ayan, 8 times 320 times 9549123. Okay, 40 times 18 squared times 6 pi. 6 pi times, pi to hindi yan torque. Pi times 620. So the answer is 161.39. 161.39 mm. Okay, basic to. Okay, check na natin kung tama tayo. Okay, 161.39 or 4. Next problem, number 3. A flange coupling with bolt circle diameter of 260 mm uses 8 bolts, which is 25 millimeters in diameter. The torque transmitted is 18 kilonewton meter. The compressive stress on the bolt is 18 MPa. Calculate the required flange thickness. Okay, basic to. Kasi direct substitution na lang siya. On number 3, compressive stress ang binigay sa'yo. So, compressive stress on each bolt is equal to force over area. Okay, this is twice of the torque diameter ng bolt circle. Diameter ng bolt, thickness of the flange, number of the bolts. Ang kinukuha ay thickness of the flange. So, TF is equal to 2T SCB, diameter ng bolt circle, diameter ng bolt, tapos number of the bolts. Okay. So, yung torque natin, 2 times, ang binigay na torque is 18. Okay, 18. 18 kilonewton meter. So, 18 times 1,000 squared newton millimeter. Okay? Divide by SCB, so 18 MPa, 18 Newton per millimeter squared. And then diameter ng bolt circle mo ay 260 mm. And then 8 bolts present with 25 mm each. Check mo kung tama yung given na binigay sa'yo. So, okay naman lahat. So, press it on our calculator, will arrive with this answer. So, 2 times 18 times 1,000 squared divided by 18 times 260 times 8 times 25. So, the answer is 38.46. So, very basic yung mga tanungan sa couplings. Okay? We have part 1 of couplings. Check. Check.